Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Sophie here, and today we are on our way to go to the pet store. We have to go see our kitten for the first time. If you guys are confused and if you're just stumbling across this video, make sure you guys go check out my last video to understand everything, and it's gonna all be explained to you. So yeah, we're about to go see our kitten, and let's go see if he likes him. So I couldn't really vlog in the place just because it was like a lot of people, and I felt it was disrespectful if I was talking like I am like this while the foster girl was there, because I don't know, I just thought that was kind of rude. Sorry, I just have a scab and it's bothering me. But yeah, but I did take some clips of him in the room when we were playing with him, and yeah, so I'm just gonna play those clips now, and I'll see you guys after they're done. Okay, so we end up getting him. Today is Wednesday. Well, today is Wednesday. You guys are not going to see this vlog until Friday, probably. But today, when I'm filming this, is Wednesday, and we get him on Friday. So when this vlog goes up, we probably will have him at the house. But I am also doing a video of me going to actually pick him up on Friday, so you guys are going to have two videos today, and then one video tomorrow, and then actually two videos Friday, two videos Saturday, and one video on Sunday. So that's the deal. So I hope you guys liked this quick short video of the kitten series, and don't forget, when you adopt one kitten, you save another kitten. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.